student, today we are going to learn about chapter number 3, the unit 2, editing documents. What do you mean the editing documents? Actually, nothing that editing documents is the reviewing of editing is a process of review. You don't understand maybe, just we are going to see some few topics here. First one is end-to-end reading. End-to-end reading. Let's increase the font. Okay, now I had typed something. What do you mean that? For example, when you typing the documents, you think that when don't need these some words, what you do that you will delete it. But under that you maybe feel that why I have deleted, I won't get back. This an option. That option name is control. Sorry, that option name is undo option. What do you mean the undo option? Nothing that one. What word you have been deleted. That word you want to bring back. That option, one of the option is undo option. The undo option help you get back the deleted word from the word. There are two options you can bring it. The first one, click by the, you can see the top of the Word document. Just take a mouse cursor over the arrow button. It will show that undo typing. Just click by this arrow button also. You can use it. Or else you can use my shortcut key. The shortcut key is Ctrl plus Z. Ctrl plus Z is the shortcut key is for undo type. Undo. What do you mean with undo? See that I won't get back. Now I'm going to use by the shortcut key Ctrl Z. Once you type the Ctrl Z, it brought it given me that what had been deleted. Because the me undo have been deleted. But after pressing the Ctrl plus Z, now you got it. What we have been deleted. That is function called that operation called as undo option. What do you mean the redo option? Redo means what? The reverse of undo option. Now what is the undo understand? Undo means what? It helps you get back the deleted file, deleted documents, deleted subject, deleted document, deleted words. 1 second. Now I deleted. I want to get back the same what have been deleted. Same word I want to get back. How to get it? The two options are for the arrow button or else you can use the shortcut key Control Z. See once you do the Control Z, I got back what I have been deleted. That is a undo. What do you mean the redo? The reverse action of undo. The reverse action of undo, that is a redo. Now here you can. Now I'm going to. There are the two type of this. The same method. Take your mouse and click the. Take your mouse and you just take over the this arrow. You can see that. Once you click it, the action will be reversing. See that. This function you can do by the click by this key. This button or else you can use by the control Y. See that once you do the control Y, the letter going by backwards. What you want to undo? See that this is undo. The letter start from both sides. What did I say? What is redo? Redo is a reverse action of undo. Now again I'm going to press the button control Y. So the shortcut key is control Y for redo. See that once you do the control Y. Do you understand now? Can you able to understand now? What do you mean by the control undo and redo? Okay, now we can see that change cases. Okay. What do you mean? Okay. For example, I type in this screen only to make you understand. I change the camera only. Okay, now here. What do you mean by the case? In case if you type it the more than 4 or 5 pages. By the way, I given here I typed only one line. For example, in case you type the more than 2 or 3 pages, but you got something idea. So I want to check the letters, small letter to capital letter. Within the option, that option name is change case. Change case one. Before do any action, you have to select. See that I didn't type something. It's just once you selected. After selecting, just to go that home button and here. Once you select your mouse over that it will show the change case. And also the small ray, you can see that the right side is small ray. Just click the small arrow, it will display the whole some option. First one sentence case and lower case, upper case, and capitalize each word and upper case and can see one by one what you mean the sentence case. See that. You can see that one. This is a trial. The first T is a small letter. Now once you selected the sentence case, it means what? The first sentence, the first letter will be capital letter. Did you observe it? Now again, I want to change all the words into the form of capital letter, some small letter, lower cases. See the once you use this lower cases, every word converted into lower cases. In case I want to change into the capital letter, what do you do? See that I'm showing what if you get in case if you have the fire 3 pages, you want to change the entire rows. Yes, it is possible. See that now we are going to the upper cases. Once you click the selector, see before to any action you must have selected. Must select. See that once you select it, just click the upper case. See that you can see there all letters words convert into capital. Same way instruction. Capital is each word. See that. This is one of the word. The first letter is given the capital letter. This I, yes, I is a capital letter in this word. See that. Okay, understand now. That is capitals from each word. Got it? Now double cases. Double case nothing is the reverse of there is a reverse of capitals each word. I think that the first letter will be small letter. The remains will be first letter of the word will be the small letter. The remains will be capital letter. Okay, now again. You can see the page number 55. Page number 55. Now, editing. See that I type something. Now again, I want to. What do you mean the lower cases? Actually, the lower cases the form of all letters converted into lower cases. For example, type in capital letter. I want to change the lower cases. Entire words. I have to click there. Lower cases. Just what do you mean the upper cases? Same way. Okay. Upper cases. Once you select the upper case, it convert into upper cases. First one, capital letter. When you observe it, first letter of the words. It will become there. See the E is a first letter of the editing. A is only one word. So it becomes a capital. And the first B is a first letter of this word. So it will become a capital. Now what do you mean? Topic is nothing there. Same option is the opposite. The reverse option. The first letter will be small letter, remains will be capital letter. Now we are going to see some checks. For example, type something. You may understand that one, sir. I'm not much more strong in the English language. Even the every because English language is my mother language. If you want to type some reading message to someone, authority people, so you just have to type in input form grammatic without bringing any error. And you may not have confidence upon you. Sir, I can give any error, sir. So how do you change it, sir? You type something, if I ask you to type every letter, but you don't know how to tell the letter. You may not know that what this will be a name, type name, how do you become. You may confuse. At that time, a word help you to do the correct words. Word is a very it's a very user friendly. It's a user friendly word. Okay, see that one again. Take this spelling. Okay, I type something. Take this spelling. Check the spelling. For example, take any words. Instinct. I type instinct. Okay, by the way, I typed in the wrong spelling. Once you type in the wrong spelling, it will display that. It displays that one. The red color underline words. Red color underline words. See that if you see the red color underline words, it displays that one. It displays that one. The spelling is wrong. The spelling is wrong. So you must understand that one. We need to put on correct words. So correct spelling. So how to change it here? Correct spelling. By the way, you don't know how to change it. Nothing. Don't worry about it. Just select it right click, and once you click the right click, it will ask you by which word you want to type. Which word you want to select it. Just selected the appropriate word. Once you click the appropriate word, the red link becomes your blank. So which one? The error is not there. There is no more error. Now here you can see about spelling and grammar. For example, can take it. See that we type it here. We know that one. If coming I am, the next word will be from of ing. That is common error will be. In case we don't know, see that the go is a non correct word. It has some grammatical error. How we change it? Just the same what we did before. That will be to right click. See the only the right click this way the correct words. Which word you want to do? Put in the place of go. Just click the going and see that you can see that one. The blue color line it doesn't disappear. The blue color line is the downside. The blue color is line displays that one. You have the grammatical error. Just do it right click and going see that after that the grammatical solve. The next option we did it. Now we are going to see cut copy, cut paste and copy paste. What do you mean the copy paste? Cut paste and copy paste. Copy paste. First we can see the copy paste. Copy paste one for example I want to type in the same words again and again. But I don't want to type. I don't have enough time. I want to type this same words more than 100 times. If you want to type manually, it will take more time. So to avoid this problem, first we go to copy paste, you have to select it. You click the copy select it, and there are a lot of options there to do the function of copy paste, cut paste. One by one I will teach you. Now here, also select it, and then right click, cut. You can see the cut. Okay, see the once you click the cut, the original location will not be there. The original location will disappear. Now here, I am going to paste a new location. See that the old location, nothing is there. The old location, what is type in the old location, the word came to the new location. That is a cut paste. Now, by the way, what shortcut key I have used to do the copy paste and cut paste? What now what we did that is a cut paste. Okay, now again copy paste. Just select it. Do click the copy and go new location. Just do this. Right click, paste. See that. This is the copy paste. And you can do with right click and one more thing you do with shortcut key that is a copy paste. Sorry, control plus C that is a copy and control plus V that is a paste. Control plus C is a copy and control plus V is paste. Understand? Control plus C is a copy, control plus V is a paste. Now what do you mean on that? Cut paste. Cut paste word. Just select it. Shortcut key name is control plus X. Control plus X. Control plus X. See the control plus X once you do the control plus X, the old location will be disappear and go to new location control plus V. Actually the control V is both. If you want to the copy paste, you can paste and paste never change it. Only copy and cut will be changed. For copy purpose we have to press control plus C and cut paste we have to use the control plus X and control plus V. Copy paste control plus C and control plus V and cut paste control plus X and control plus V. Now how to take the printing? How to take the printer? Now here we decided that I have completed all the work. I want to take the printer. How to take the printer? There are two types. There is two ways. You can do way take printout. One way is using the shortcut key. Another way, just click the full file and take the print option. We don't need to change anything because it will be blank. By the time we want to change anything, if you have enough time, you can go and check it. There are a lot of options. If you want the portrait and the landscape option and a one page, one sheet. There are a lot of options you can understand. Now here, you want to take the printout this enough for just click it. There are options given the printer. For example, you may have more than 4 printers. Which printer is now active? Just go and check it. The arrow button it will display the number of printer. Okay, you can go and check it. Just click it. You selected the active printer and click the print. The print will be taken. Okay. Another option control plus T. You can use with the control P also. You can bring the printer. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day. Bye.